Hello everyone, I'm Xander and welcome back to another Royal Robotics weekly update. It's been a couple of weeks since we last had one of these videos, but in the meantime, we have gotten a lot of stuff done with our robot that we are ready to share. So, with that out of the way, let's get right into the video.
This week we made a lot of progress on the build aspect of our robot. First of all, we finished the drivetrain. That was pretty cool.
So this week, we assembled and manufactured the drivetrain for our FRC robot. This drivetrain is a West Coast drivetrain, which means all the wheels are exposed for better control and mobility. I personally myself made the drivetrain frame by cutting and manufacturing them. The team mounted and assembled the motors and wheels.
Second of all, we made the prototypes for the intake and the shooter, both of which, well, you can see the shooter right there actually. As soon as we finish them, make sure they're done testing, we can convert those into metal, slap them right on the robot. Here's some pictures of those right now. Right now, I'm working on finishing the parts that we cut with a CNC machine by spray painting them. You can see them actually right there.
Right now I am working on taking these stock pieces of metal, these 1x1 metal tubes, and cutting them down into shorter pieces like these ones for the robot's intake, using the portaband and then also by sanding down the edges.
Well, that's it for our weekly update. Thank you guys for tuning in. We've made so much progress in a short period of time across the board in fabrication, build, programming, everything, and we really can't wait to be able to enjoy all our hard work at our first regional competition 1 week from today in South Florida. See you guys next time.